Oh, hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Monday, August 14th. It's 5:30, a little bit late. So, a little bit of a recap. I think it was like 3:45 or 3:40, something like that. My stream ended, or my stream disconnected. Unfortunately, as most of you are aware, that tends to happen a lot with my Starlink internet. But I didn't restart the stream. I was actually in the middle of a trade, but it was the end of the day. I just didn't find that it was worth restarting the stream, so I ended the stream. Well, I did my recap video, uploaded the recap video, and now, literally a couple seconds ago, a couple of you kindly let me know that I was muted during my recap video. So, I guess it's Monday. So we're going to try to do this again and do it right. But this is the recap for today, testing this strategy. Really, yeah, we're just going to keep it short. But basically, we followed all our rules today. We did miss a setup because we went out to lunch. But hey, it is what it is. The setup would have been profitable on my initial 30 ticks, but then my runner would have been stopped out. So be what it may. But just to recap on the last trade before I ended stream, I was in the middle of a trade. I took this trade right here. We captured our 30 ticks here. And then I just closed the trade at 355 because obviously I don't want to be in a trade when it gets close to 4 o'clock. It's just not something I want to be too volatile, too crazy at the end of the day. So I just closed the trade right here. I think we're like 70 ticks in profit, something like that. Obviously, it would have hit my profit target had I let it go. But again, we don't want to be in a trade after 3:55 p.m. So that kind of recaps that trade. If we just go back, you can see our total P&L for the day was like, we lost like $1,600. It was kind of unfortunate. This morning we had a really nice move overnight, and then this morning we came down, tested the 40s here, and then we had a really nice move up. And right here on the 140s, when this moved back down, I was really hoping we would trigger for a long entry right here, but it never did trigger. And so we couldn't take that trade. Would have been a really nice trade, unfortunately. But then we had a trade trigger here, here, and here. So basically right at the top of the range, and just never could get anything going. Did kind of a triple top here on the day. So that, yeah, I just didn't end well with that kind of price action. It was pretty dead price action today, I thought, after that initial move. Then, obviously, then the last trade here, we did finally catch a winner, but overall, not a great results as far as P&L. We followed our rules. We collected more data. We got more information. That's what we want to do anyway. But also, just of note, we do have now for our runner, once we have 50 ticks of profit, we do move our stop up to break even. Once we're 100 ticks in profit, we do move our stop up to our initial take profit, and then we move our stop up every 50 ticks as the price goes higher, just to try and lock in a little bit more profit. So we are doing that. I have the ATM strategy change for that. Had a little bit of issues with my chart trader today. I think I figured it out. I just had to restart NinjaTrader for some reason. I'm not sure why. But that should be taken care of. But basically, yeah, let me show TradeZella here. You can see I had about a $1,600 loss today. And you can see we had one trade that was a winner that we got stopped out on a runner. Then that last trade was a winner. And then we had 3 losses. Two of the losses were a little bit bigger losses than I'd like to see, because just of where our entry was and where our stop had to be. It is what it is. So we will continue onward. Again, we are still trading NQ. I'm going to try and collect a little bit more data, live data on NQ before we move to ES. Also, this weekend, I just did not have enough time to backtest ES further. So I'm kind of behind and kind of behind in life as well. Got a lot of projects and got a lot of stuff going on as well. So just kind of have to do with what I can. But for now, we're going to continue testing this strategy on NQ. Again, we're just following our strategy, following our setups, following my entries. That is my only job right now. So we did that today. So that means it was a good day, even though the results aren't really what we wanted. But this is collecting the data, and this is what we want to do and what we need to do. So that's it. That's all I got. I'll upload this now, and pretty sure we have sound. So anyway, thanks everyone. Appreciate every one of you. And we will catch you guys tomorrow. To have a great rest of your day, and God bless.